Church experts are saying that 60% of young people that were following Jesus in their teenage years stop in some way during their 20s. We are convinced that this has to change. Right now is the time that we need to go deep in God, encounter Him. I'm confident that as a young person, if you will encounter Jesus from the days of your youth as a teenager, and not just an encounter, but then live out a pursuit of God, your 20s won't be your worst years, they'll be your best years. So over the years, we've developed a desperation vow to live in desperate pursuit of God, diligent prayer, consecrated heart, and focused life. And we believe confidently that if you'll spend time with Jesus, if you'll lead prayer movements on your campus, if you'll set aside time to fast, to be consecrated to God, and you'll focus your life, focus your journey, that your 20-somethings can be the best years of your life. And over the years, we've really had a great emphasis on spending time alone with God and starting prayer meetings. But one of the things that is happening is that young people in mass are starting to get more focused on how to reach their generations. One of the things that we're doing this year that we're really putting central is this Heartwork campaign. For we want to really help orphans across the world. We believe that you as a young person, as you start to give your life to others, not just vertical where you're knowing God, but also horizontal, where you're His hands and His feet to others, that realistically, you may be rescuing someone else's destiny, but in that process, yours is rescued as well. That's why I'm so excited about this summer. This summer, 2010, we're calling it Decade, because we desire to see a decade from now, 2020, that you as a 15-year-old, you as a 17-year-old are walking with God when you're 25. When you're 27. So this is a summer that you can't miss. I'm excited about all the bands and all the speakers and all the things in terms of the lineup, but mostly it's about your encounter with God so that over the next 10 years, you become an avid disciple, you become someone that knows Jesus, someone that prays hard, someone that lives holy, and someone that fulfills God's call on your life. Make sure that you're a part of Desperation Conference 2010. I'm so enthusiastic and so excited about what God's doing. It's gonna be phenomenal. We'll see you here.